Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate adventures. Hopefully you're having a great day. And today I'm in a newer house in Florida. So why don't you come on, follow me. I'll take you through the home. As we look through this home, it was built in 2010. It's not that bad. The painting on the walls looks pretty good. The ceiling looks good. Believe it or not, all the light fixtures are still here. So come on and follow me in. We're going to go ahead and take a look back here at the kitchen and everything. But as I go through the house, I'm looking at flooring, I'm looking at baseboard, I'm looking at walls, I'm looking at outlet, I'm looking at switches, I'm looking at smoke detectors, I'm looking at vent covers, I'm looking at the lighting. So I'm trying to get a feel of everything. The only thing I really don't like about this house so far, they used a cheaper linoleum flooring in it, and unfortunately it probably would have been better with a tile or something, but then again, more money. So come follow me in here to the kitchen. I'm in here. Behind me is a family room. With the family room, it's not that bad. It steps out to the yard and a covered lanai area. So that's right over here. Here's our lanai area going out here. So that's kind of nice, that's covered. Family room here. Now we have an open concept kitchen. So if you follow me around, the kitchen countertop is a cheaper Formica, but it is an open concept. We have our stove, dishwasher, microwave, full-size fridge. And as you go out behind me, you're going to have the laundry going into the garage. But anytime you walk through a home, take a look at it and determine what's needed in each room that you go in. This kitchen isn't too bad other than the appliances, the flooring, the countertop, but everything adds up. So you got to get it at the right price to make money if you're looking at it from a buy, fix, and flip point of view. If you're looking at this home from a rental property point of view, I think it's pretty much rent ready. It's ready to go. So until next time, go make it a great day. Take care. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.